Clog is dead and we want to celebrate it. He's pushing up daisies of former and belated. Bad guy asks why we're related. Well, Clog is dead. Follow the bouncing skull.
Yes, Clog's kaput.
No longer operating.
Retired expired.
Animation.
Deceased.
Gone west, he's done. Let's hitch up our shorts.
Do a pelvic thrust.
Clog is dead.
He was dirty and obscene and not a little mean. So we'll sing in one accord.
Now that he's gone to his reward.
Clog is dead, he's history.
Why we shake our booties, no mystery. He's gone at last.
Time has passed.
We can go back to passing gas.
Yeah, Clog is dead.
This is sort of a standard neighborhood thing. There would be probably a drum solo in the middle of it, and then a section with the drums and kind of a jazz guitar playing lead at some point. But here's the basic melody.